Alright guys, Lankster here, coming to you with a White Noise Online video. It's kind of part way into it because I forgot to do something, so I had to cut it. I'm with Shiv Perfection, say what's up.
So,
And, yeah, we're making a video. Shit. It's kind of freaky right now.
we already found one tape recorder too, by the way.
Yeah, we already found one. I gotta do one more setting thing, so cover me.
I got you away.
Alright. There we go. Now... Oh, there's another one in this room.
This is... I feel like this bitch is stalking this prick. Ah!
Oh, shit. Oh, turn around, turn around, turn around.
Oh shit. This is gonna be so funny to watch.
Oh, shit. Let's go, let's go, let's go, dude. Alright, he's not there, but...
This is a dead end.
Oh, no, it's not.
There's a right turn, there's a right turn. Mother trucker, dude, that hurt like a butt cheek.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
And we're going towards the rock.
Oh no, we're fucked. Oh no. I don't feel like this is safe.
Just keep up with me, because I'm gonna... There's a camera there.
My guy's breathing so hard.
Oh. Oh, Jesus.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Myself.
Oh, okay, good sign. We found a weird room. Oh no, east, right in front of us. Turn right. Oh, dude, there's a recorder on the opposite side. I gotta go for it. Oh, dude, I gotta go for it.
Oh no, I'll go for it.
He's there. He's there still though.
Oh shit.
Run forward towards where he was. Go to where he was, because I don't think he'll be back there. Oh, dude, he's getting close. My screen's getting fuzzy. Gotta run.
Wish you could run forever.
Remember to conserve your battery.
I know.
For those who are watching, this is a lot like Slender Man, just an Xbox version and an online version, so we can play with each other. I would do a solo version, but I don't like doing solo versions. It's just boring. I don't like talking to myself, and I'm bad at doing commentaries by myself, so...
There's a thing in this room, I think.
Okay, it says there's an artillery room, so I'm gonna go with this. Oh, I hear a recorder to the right of us. Dude, we're finding all of them. Found it. Not too bad. Alright, keep running. Make sure to sprint a lot, too. Keep up with me, too. We're walking next to a rock, I think. Oh, dude. Alright, I don't hear anything this way, so let's go into this room.
I'm actually the biggest pussy ever.
Oh, what the?
What the hell? I only saw like a pink foot. What
The fuck?
the? He's gonna get us. I know.
Is that his penis?
We're gonna be. What the? That's his hand. Like he's like jerking off.
Oh, this way, towards the door. Didn't see that.
I feel like came to life and just blew the shit out of us. What the? Jocelyn, look at that cell. It's red.
I know. I saw. I don't hear anything in oh, well, we gotta check the room anyways. Alright, there's nothing in this room, but, let's just keep going forward. Our goal for this is to at least hit, I'd say 6 of those things. Get 6 of them, so we're not gonna stop trying until we do. on corridors like this, just use a lot of your run because this is where like this is where you're gonna need them the most. So.
My freaking thing's
Go this way. Go this way.
I'm not even using it that much.
Only. How about this? Turn it off. Only use it when you lost me and when you see the guy, or blink it every once in a while because you're gonna need it. Oh shit! What the fuck? All right, we have to go this way. All right. Whoa! Why am I getting caught?
I hear him. He's to our left.
Can we hop on this? All right, we don't want to be on there. All right, I think we can hop.
He's right behind. He's to your left.
All right, cross. Get to the right. Keep your light off. Keep your light on. Keep your light on.
On?
My guy's like dead right now. He can't breathe. All right, turn off your light for a little bit and turn on. Since you're in the back, you keep your light on a little bit longer than mine. Oh, there's one over here.
What is that for?
Yes.
I'll go get it.
Two more. If we get this, then we don't have to do it again.
Let's say I died and you got it. You got the other two, then, or vice versa. Then.
All right, let's get in this area because I feel like this area will be safer.
We both need to be alive.
Yeah, I feel safer in these corridors
Why do you feel safer?
because it's more closed off, which means he can only be in certain places. You know what I mean? Like you can tell where he's gonna be.
Yeah. Like he can't be like to your left or right. He can only be in front of you or behind you.
See, we've only seen him a few times, so I think we're fine for now.
I've only seen him like. Oh shit!
See, I'm going to where the noises are that he's making just because he's never where the noises are. Okay. Oh my god, he's right there. I lied. Oh my god.
This is not fun. I'm alone.
Fuck off, bro.
Toss it out of this shit.
Wait, where are you? Where'd you go?
Oh. It says
Perfection.
what?
Where'd you go?
Went down a hallway.
Which hallway?
The one that we were walking to. I went the opposite way.
Oh my god. So, I don't know where you are at all.
I don't know.
It says it's dangerous to go alone. It means you're more likely to get attacked. Yep, he's right on me. He's right on me, dude. I'm about to die. Yep, I'm about to die, dude.
Wait, you're dead?
I'm about to die. He's getting on me. He's like,
Wait, you're dead? I thought you were dead already.
hell, no, I'm not.
I thought you were dead already.
I've got another one. Oh, that's a rock. No.
Did you just die?
No, I'm alive.
Oh, this is not fun. I thought you were dead. But I am. It's dangerous to go alone. It's so scary.
Yeah, keep your light on. Oh, he's about to get me. If I don't turn this corner.
I'm getting fuzzy, so I'm going towards them.
Yeah, he's about to get me. He's right behind me, dude. I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. Oh, dude, he's about to get me. I'm dead. Perfection, I'm dead.
Oh shit.
I don't know where to find you at.
I'm in the train station.
You went right next to him then. I'm coming towards you. Actually, guys, I think that since this is takes a long time, we might just do one take because this is actually kind of an interesting episode. I've never done this map before. This map's interesting. If you guys like this, make sure to leave a like and comment because
I've never been alone.
so far I'm enjoying this.
6 or we just
If you're still on the train tracks, I'm coming towards you. So.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Can you head?
Oh wait, I can go back to. Yeah, I'm back at.
All right, I'm at the train tracks too. Are you on this? Whoa, what the hell? Okay. Oh, I see you. I see your light, I think. Yeah, I do. Keep,
You guys wait where I am?
keep going where you're going. Yeah, keep going.
I don't know where I was going. I don't know.
Stay right there if you can. Move around a little bit, or just keep going, and I'll follow you if I.
I feel like you're behind me.
No, I'm not. I'm like across. I'm on the opposite side of the tracks from you, but.
Should I go straight or turn right? Well, I'm going straight.
Go on the other side of the tracks, like the opposite side of the tracks. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but I need to go back.
Yeah. Then I'll help you find the fucking. Alright, I'm coming towards you now. See, you should be able to see me soon. I see you. Hey!
Yeah, I see you.
Let's go.
Hey!
Alright, let's go back to where you were going and,
Alright. I don't even know I could see your body. I feel safer now.
Yeah, you can see my body. You're, like, I'm like a.
Or like an
I'm like a Scooby-Doo ghost.
Yeah.
You're looking pretty good.
What character am I anyway?
I have to walk, though. That's the annoying part.
Yeah, that's retarded. Alright, what are we gonna do? I feel so much safer with your fucking ghost right now.
We're gonna listen for the tapes, and we're gonna try and get 2 more. I don't know if long corridors are good because I think in order to get away from them, you have to make a bunch of twists and turns. So, yeah.
This isn't long. It's right there.
I know, but like when your screen starts getting fuzzy, the best thing to do is like hit a bunch of twists and turns because then it fixes you lose them somehow. So like if we get a long corridor, we need a ditch. But for now, I think we should take this long corridor, just because I think you're doing fine, right? You're not, like, getting fuzzy or anything like that.
No, I'm not.
Whoa, my controller's stopping randomly. Go this way, because I hear a statue on the left side.
Oh, Dawson, did you hear that?
No, I can't hear the noises he makes. Oh, I hear. Alright, this is good. What the hell?
What the hell, dude? There's like... It's like Biolab on AW.
It is. Let's go this Chris corner way, or kitty corner way, so we can,
I kind of want to die, but at the same time I don't.
Oh, wait! There's something over here. Yep, there's the one right here. There's one right here.
He's right there, Dawson, he's right there, Dawson, he's right there.
Dude, turn around to your left. By me.
I know, but he's right behind me. He's right behind you.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
Wow, he's alright, just get away from him and then turn around when you can, alright?
Alright.
Alright, turn around. Try turning around now. I'm over around the corner, so if you see someone.
He's still by. Oh, Dawson.
Yeah, is he there still?
No.
Run, go get it now.
Where?
Follow me.
I'm following.
Press A. It's right there.
I'm going. Got it.
Follow me, we're going back to where we were. don't like those rooms.
I'm going Vampire Slayer after this. Dawson? Oh, that's shit out of this.
Alright, this room. It has a sign. Might have. Alright, we want to take a left here. Into this room.
Throw your ass down.
Up.
I'm not even out the door yet.
Zombie with the boner.
Where? Oh my god. Oh my
I'm
god.
slightly hearing fuzzy noises. Dude, if you get to 6 on your own, you're gonna be so fucking happy. Dude, that'll be a double thing today. Not only did you get this, you...
Oh yeah. I hit a shit. I'm not. Oh, I'm so scared, dude. Oh, Dawson, he's right there.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I went out
I'm right.
the
I'm
door,
right.
like, I turned
Yeah, I
around.
saw you. Just go away from him.
He literally TP'd right in my eye.
Alright, just keep going straight.
Alright, did you find me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Judo King, can you please go away, please? Don't talk. That's a rock. That's not a...
I'm getting. Oh, okay. I was gonna say I'm not getting fuzzy, but I heard fuzzy.
Yeah, let me go check it out real quick.
Should I go or should I go?
Yeah, do not go that way. Do not go that way. Turn around. He's gonna fuck you if you go near it. Go this way.
I don't wanna get fucked by him. That's weird.
Oh, dude, this is actually like...
Dawson,
Yeah.
that was the scariest noise of all. I wish I was recording this. Dawson, he's literally in that room that I'm facing at.
Back there?
Like, yeah, in that one.
Oh, go. Come on, go.
It's in the one to our right. Like, the one, like, if there is a room there. I just heard, like, a screech from our left, but I hear him breathing in our left.
Okay, we're
not going in this
Yeah, we're not, we went the wrong way. We gotta go the opposite way.
Are we doing another one if we don't get 6?
Nah. Okay, that's where Bomb and Train is. We don't want to go towards Bomb and Train. Stick to the right side. Oh, okay. I kind of moved away from my mic a little bit, but my phone, but I think it picked it up anyways. I'm hearing a little bit of fuzziness. All right, we gotta kind of go towards the rock a little bit. All right.
I love how I'm still following you.
Oh, that's a rock. That's... Wait, what is that?
I hear it.
That's a rock. That's a rock. That's a rock. Okay, but we are in the right area for
He's right behind us.
Follow me. Go that way. Yeah, go that way. Towards the signs, where the signs are pointing.
This way?
Yeah. Because if you look at those rocks, he fucks you. So that's why I said be careful.
Well, I mean, he almost did fuck me. I swear to God, if you're not recording... Oh, he got me.
All right.
God damn.
Well, guys, that was the first episode of... Well, what is this? White Noise Online. I think we're gonna record a second episode right now, actually, because I actually enjoyed doing this with him, and I think we'd enjoy doing another map. So this will be a full, just live commentary type thing. So hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Comment if you have anything to say, and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.